guys, and welcome back. So today we're going to be unboxing the Brighter Days Be Happy box by the Happy Planner. It was on sale. It was on sticker day, and I believe it has like a folding sticker storage box, and it came with a couple of sticker books with it. So, I've been patiently waiting to open this up with yins. So let's see what's all in the Brighter Days box. And oh, see, it's already cute, and I love like these little doodles. So that's why I was like, you know what? I am ready for this Be Happy box. So I'm just going to put the cute little box off to the side. And let's see here. Oh, he does just pop right out like that. Okay. So it even starts with a cute little sticker that says every day is special. Oh boy. Okay, so I'm not even quite sure of how you would get into this thing here. Okay, alright, so that opens up that way. Oh, guys, did you see that? That is actually pretty cool. I'm liking this a lot better than their other storage boxes already. It does feel a lot like better made. It's thicker cardboard. So you pull on that, and then see if I could give you a side view. And then all of this just kind of pops down and then folds into each other. And it is, yeah, there's definitely a magnet involved. So it does hold it together, and it gives you two compartments to store your stickers in, and then you can just fold it back up. That's cool. I like that. Because, yeah, I could keep my stickers back here and then put some of my pens in the front. So, I mean, I'm just saying, just that alone I would purchase. That is absolutely adorable. So, okay, so this tells me what actually comes in with it. So we do have the folding sticker storage box. And like I said, I love this thing, guys. This is definitely a lot better made than the other cardboard ones that you gotta stick together. I like this. I would love to see more of these. So let's put that there. Okay, the next thing would be the functional brights and what is it? 8 sticker sheets. Would it be you? So I mean, there's a lot that goes into this here. So I have, this is the Yummy Icons. He's next. That's Make Today Fun. Okay, I'm saying this is the next one. The Brighter Days sticker book and the Let's Celebrate. Just Okay, so this is the next. I'm just trying to go in order, guys, because I don't want to miss anything here. Okay, this is Let's Celebrate Brighter Days sticker book, Yummy Icons, and the Functional Brights. Okay, just so I get my timestamps here correct. Okay, so let me get the X-Acto knife again, because it does seem to be sealed on the sides. I normally tend to like to go like to the very back of the sticker book, then that way I'm not cutting any of the stickers by accident. So there we go with this one. And this is the Functional Brights. See, those are cute, and they're nice, bright colors. I am liking this foil here. It's not a bronze, and it's not a gold. It's kind of like an in-between. It's not even copper. That is different. And we got cute little Today tasks. Of course, your top tasks. I use these a lot, so these are nice, and they're in a nice rainbow palette. There's your task list today, this week, and remember with that color block pattern. Of course, some friendly reminders, and I'm loving the pet paw. There are so many times that I have a task for Bert, and the little pet paw will definitely help with that. Oh, we even have a little tooth for the dentist down here. Okay, so that's your little mini functional bright sticker book that comes with it. It's 8 sticker sheets. Gonna set him off to the side there. Okay, so the next one is the yummy icons. And this is the one I think that really got me, because I am a foodie. So any little food doodles on there. Okay, got that opened. All right, so this is your yummy icons sticker sheet. Again, it's only 5 sheets. So we got your little, I believe they're bobo teas, and they do have a blue foil to them. I love the little French toast, pancakes, coffees, and donuts. They're all good things right there. Oh, look at the little hot sauce. He's adorable. And of course your tacos, your little wraps. So far this is good, guys. These are foods I can eat. Oh, you got your muffins, ice creams, cakes and pies, and the sketties. I could almost see cookies going down there, but you know what? You cannot go wrong with the sketties, right? Okay, and then you got your snacks. It's a little lemon tea. Yeah, these are adorable. Loving these. These are cute. Your lemonade, your popcorns, your little strawberries. And oh, those have fancy red foil to them. Does the foil change throughout, guys? Did I miss that by looking at the pictures? Okay, no foil. So we got red foil, no foil, no foil, no foil, and then blue foil. Okay, so there's only 2 sheets that do have the foil, but it is in the different colors. I love the blue. The blue foil is probably my favorite. And, okay, so now we're going to move on to the Brighter Days sticker book. And this one does have a lot of holidays in it as well. So, let's see. Oh, we have the little hot sauce day, hot cocoa days. Oh, these are cute. Hugging day, cream puff day. Okay. Frozen yogurt day, gumdrop day, margarita day. Oh, I would definitely have to like go on to Google and like write down the day beside each of them, because I don't know when any of these are. I don't. But so far the doodles, guys, the doodles are super cute. Loving this so far. World Wish Day, World Bee Day. Of course, every day's wine day, right? Okay, fried chicken day. Okay, hot fudge sundae day. Of course, that's every day. Book lovers day, tell a joke day. Oh, guys, look at these doodles. These are cute. So we've made it. Oh my God, there's so many holidays. I didn't realize that there was that many holidays. Ice cream today, adulting tomorrow. Okay, party. Sip, sip, sip. That would be great for like Cinco de Mayo. You got your little margarita. Oh, happiness is chips and guacamole. Okay, so we got Do Not Kill My Vibe, A Note to Self, More Coffee Please, Keep Growing, Movie Night, Taco Tuesday, and Let's Party. Boy. Make Today Count, Life is Sweet, Do More of What Makes You Happy, You're One in a Million, or Melon, You're One in a Million. Let's Do This, Best Week Ever, Keep Life Spicy. Okay, then we're moving into quotes. And little speech bubbles. Okay, I'm gonna love this for my daily planner because it'll definitely give me a space to just write that like little quick note. So those are cute. And of course, boxes. You can never go wrong with boxes. I use all of the boxes, and oh my god, avocado don't. Nice cream and pasta pie. Oh, berry delicious, say cheese, and raise your glass. I love these stickers right here, guys. These make my day. Okay, so we got You Are So Rare, Such a Busy Bee, and Eat Cake. Look at the little coconut. Like, oh my word. Okay, so we have lots of the I call them thin strip washi stickers, but they have nice little positive quotes on them, and they all have that nice shiny gold foil. And again, we got those nice little washi stickers. These ones have the little icons to them. Oh yeah, there's definitely a lot into these. Ooh, and these are my favorite type of stickers. Okay, so we got rainbows, we got the flowers, and of course desserts. Look at the little chocolate bar. And we got candies, and cotton candies. That'd be great for Fair Week. Of course, we got those wonderful sippies. Socks. I never would have thought of having a sock doodle. That's cute. Okay, so that is it for the Brighter Days sticker book. Let's go ahead and close him up. And, okay, so the next one is the Let's Celebrate. This is, again, another mini sticker book. So let's just gently get this protective film cut so we can actually see the stickies. Okay, so, oh my god, they got more of the cupcakes. And, of course, a celebration cake, a little cherry cake right there. Birthdays. The little dog doodles, those are cute. Okay, more balloons. These are great for birthdays and celebrations. Oh, and look at the squiggly confetti. Oh, and we got more. Oh, when they say that this is the Let's Celebrate sticker book, they mean it, guys. There is so much confetti. These are going to be so cute to use. And of course, your other cool tones. So that's it for that little mini sticker book there. And it looks like this one's going to be more quotes from what I'm gathering. Okay, and this is to Make Today Fun. So, I love the simplicity of these two. This would make it really easy to incorporate into any layout. Some nice positive quotes there. Okay, we got more. That's a very interesting color right there. It's almost like a peach. I want to say that's peach. Ready for the day. I almost see these pairing well with the I'm trying to think of it. It's not Stargazer, but kind of one of those. It's been so long since I've even thought of the book. But it this definitely would pair with the celestial type, like the space, you know, that type of book right there, because that tone really did the boho book. That's what I'm thinking. That is the cream from the boho book, the free spirit, you know. Oh, and we got lots of little star powers there. Okay, so that is it for the stickers that come with this book. Let's see if we can get all of these out here. So it does come with a lot of stickers, guys. For all the more that I paid for, this is actually a really good deal here. And like I said, the little carrying case itself, I'm in love with this thing. So, that's it from the Brighter Days sticker collection, Happy Box. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, and let me know if you got one of these yourself or if you're planning on getting one. And with that, I'm going to close out and say thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. And please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to see more Plan With Me's.